Hello kids, how are you? Today we draw Labu easy step by step. Okay, let's go to the video. This drawing I am using on big marker and small marker and four colors. Okay, let's go to the video. First of all, we draw Labu eye. Like this, and inside like this. It's a small round. Another line is like this and same like that. Okay, then like it, and same like do this, and inside one background, then eyebrow like this, and same like this, and a nose, the center of the two eyes like it. Okay, then mouth, we center in this small line and small line, and to touch it the line, then under one curved line, and inside tongue small heart. Then we go to the face. It's like this, and like this, and like this. Then arc, and here to join it. Then we have to join the line. Okay, then big lines and some details here. Okay, then ears and face. Zigzag method. This look like a lion face. Okay, then we start here in this line, and here he have a big ears like rabbit, like this, and another one here, same like this. Okay, then inside one man, and he become a queen. Here small arc, and here one round, small heart shape like this, and inside one round. Now we draw to body. This one like this. Now we draw to hand. This yes, and here another hand, and he holding a one heart. Then join it. Then like it. Then another leg. Oh, our Labu is now alive. Now we going to more visible of our drawing. Now we going to coloring. First we go to the color in face. Now tongue color and heart. Now whole body pink color. Oh, our Labubu is alive. I think you are like this video. If you are like this video, kindly subscribe me and like give the thumbs up button and share this video. If you are like this video, subscribe and you will get more like this video our channel. Thank you for very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next video.